In Stacking Up today, Scott Bauer of Trading Advantage joins me now to talk about Costco. And this is a very popular store. People who go to Costco love Costco. Love the big bulky items.
I know.
Are you a fan?
You know, I am, only when I need the big bulky stuff, because if I just go in there, you know, just to do a little shopping, you always wind up getting more than you bargained for. But
that's
why
what
it's so successful, right?
Exactly. So what do you think about the stock?
You know, the stock is real interesting here. It's actually in a place a couple weeks ahead of earnings here that is a good area for me anyway to get in, to, you know, on the buy side here. The 150 to 150 and a half area technically is a big support area because it's a high volume area. High volume meaning lots of trade going on there. Mm-hmm. And so that has given us some real good support there. And over the last week or so, I've been selling some put spreads. Now that we're a couple weeks out from earnings, Angie, I'm actually looking to buy some call spreads leading up to earnings. Costco's typically one of those stocks that you know, it's very market dependent, but typically leading up to earnings, you see the stock rising. So I'm actually going out to the last week of September, the September 30th options, because earnings are on the 29th, and I'm buying some upside call spreads in Costco. I think most of that is technically based right now. It's not fundamentally based, but you know, that coupled with the fact that leading up to earnings, there typically is some nice momentum. I like it.
And interesting to note that you are managing your trade with options, so you have some risk protection happening there.
Absolutely.
But for somebody who just owns the stock, is this a buy and hold play?
Yeah, I think it's more of, you know, a hold area. I really do. I think there is definitely some upside going into earnings here. And again, it's all technically based, though, from that 150 to 150 and a half area. So if I was already long it, I don't think I'd be buying the stock. But again, like you said, being able to use options, I am completely protected. I know what my risk is. My risk is very minimal to these upside call spreads I'm buying, so I like it.
And I'm glad to have you on the show. I like having you on the show.
Always a pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you.